Hey everybody, and welcome to Technology and Toys, and today's video is going to be an unboxing and review of the ClamCase Pro for iPad Air 2. I know this is not the newest case for the newest iteration of iPad, but it's still a great case. I use it every single day, and it really feels like it comes from Apple and not Incipio. So as you can see on the box here, you got your iPad in there, and it's the gold color to match my gold iPad. And this is aluminum and plastic, and it basically turns your iPad into a MacBook of sorts. You can see on the back you have your laptop view where you would use the keyboard to type. You use your touchscreen view, which I use the most for watching videos, and then you can still use it as tablet. It has a 360-degree hinge, Bluetooth connectivity. You can recharge it, which is pretty much expected of every device nowadays. Unparalleled protection. I have dropped this a couple times, and my iPad's still in one piece, so I don't know what that says about this case or if I'm just lucky. Full QWERTY keyboard. Actually has kind of nice key travel when you press in, and auto sleep and wake. So basically it's a smart cover. If you open it, it will unlock it. If you close it, it will lock it. But let's get right into the box here. Lifts up like 90% of Apple's boxes. You can see we're greeted with the case itself. Now the odds of yours coming adorned with an Apple sticker are probably extremely low. But since I've been using this for almost 8-9 months now, I've kind of given it a bit more of an Apple-y kind of feel. But underneath it, you get two cords. You get one to charge it up. It even has nice little ClamCase branding on it, which I'm going to keep in there because I have hundreds of micro USB cables. I don't really need that one. And then you get what is probably one of my only complaints with this case, a headphone jack adapter. But we're going to come back to this in a minute. We'll put that off to the side. We'll close everything up, and we'll take a look at the inside of the case itself. You can see it says ClamCase Pro, and I actually like the way that they present this. It's got all like the apps and everything on the home screen, although it's a little outdated. That's Game Center. That doesn't exist anymore. But it is a three-ish year old case, so it's running a 3-ish year old version of iOS. Get rid of your foam-ish stuff. And then all the literature for this is inside this little iPad-shaped package. And again, very Apple-esque in its presentation. You get a quick start guide, and that's really it, actually. No ClamCase stickers, no Incipio stickers. But it tells you all about it, how to put it in, how to charge it, how to turn it on, pairing. It's got function keys and everything. But I'm going to put all of that back in the box and move the box out of the way, and I'll bring over my iPad Air. So I have my iPad here. It's kind of smudgy, but hopefully oh, there it is. Never mind. And my iPad here turns on. It actually works like a normal iPad should. I'm going to grab the case, and the way you put it in is you put in the bottom like that, and then you just push, and it clips in, and it stays in the case. So it closes like that. It does essentially double the thickness of your iPad, as you can see here, but it's not really something that I complain about. And then we're going to open it, and it unlocks it, or it wakes it like a smart cover would. And then you can bend this back and use it like that. It's the touchscreen position, touchscreen mode as they refer to it as. Or you can go and clasp it all the way back and tablet. And the thing that I really like about this is because the keyboard's on the back and you can press the keys with your hands while you're using it like this, it doesn't actually use the keys unless it's in this position. So if you flip it over like this and you're carrying it like this for some reason, or you put it down on an uneven surface, it's not going to it's not going to give you any unwanted keystrokes, so that's awesome. But yeah, we're going to unlock my iPad and we're going to go to settings. Now this thing comes on in pairing mode. And I'm going to go down to Bluetooth. And let me fold this up so you guys can see it. It says right there, ClamCase Pro keyboard. And now that I've got it paired, I want to connect it. And another cool thing is, if you can see here, if I can get it without, knocking over the camera, it says connected right there. But if I take it and bend the keyboard back, it says not connected. So when it's bent back like this, and when it's closed, the Bluetooth connection is off, and just to re-enable it, you press a couple keys and it reconnects. So that way it gives you a bit longer battery life, both on your iPad and the case itself. And it does have all the Mac keys. It's got command, option, control function. You have a couple smaller keys down here. You have one to check your battery percentage, and when you press that, there's a little light up here that will flash anywhere from 1 to 4 times, and it's in increments of 25%. So if you have 25% battery, it'll flash once, 50 twice, 75 3 times, and a full 100% charge will flash 4 times. And then right over here you have a Bluetooth button. This is what you use to pair the iPad if you disconnect it and want to reconnect it again. Now, there are a couple problems that I can see with this case, and most of them are pertaining to the ports and your access to the ports on your iPad. You can't really charge your iPad in this case with third-party cables, which kind of sucks. You kind of have to use Apple's included lightning cable, but that should be fine because every Apple device comes with one. So it's really just the same as plugging it in normally. Plug it in and it doesn't hang there. I mean, you'd be charging it. And this case also kind of restricts your access to the audio jack. If I have wired earpods, I'm not entirely sure why I still have these, but it doesn't go in all the way. So that's where this little guy from earlier comes in. Let me just pull him out of his plastic. And this will plug into the audio jack on your iPad. And this lets you plug in your wired headphones if you still use those. It looks kind of stupid using them like this, but I mean, wired headphones are dying anyways, so does it really matter if you look stupid with them? Another thing that's not so great about this case is its pricing. Even now, 3 years later, it's not that cheap. It's currently $100 from Incipio's ClamCase page, although you can get these secondhand for a lot cheaper. I got mine for $30, $35, somewhere in that range. So you don't have to pay full price for these. It is kind of expensive. Kind of goes along with the "you might think this is made by Apple" trend. It comes in 3 colors. It comes in silver, gold, and space gray. I would definitely recommend checking this out. It has a great keyboard, it has a great case, and altogether I guess that makes it a great keyboard case. The aluminum feels nice. I would have liked if it was aluminum all the way around. But there you guys have it. That is my unboxing and review of the Incipio ClamCase Pro for iPad Air 2. If you like this kind of video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, as well as turning on notifications so that way you get notified whenever I upload another video. And until the next video, guys, goodbye.